Welcome, fellow coders and finance enthusiasts. Today we are delving deeper into the financial world using Python. We will download share prices of your favorite companies. This script can significantly enhance one's approach to stock investments. This downloaded data will provide you the first step of performing the technical and fundamental analysis. So grab a cup of coffee and let's go together. Before proceed, make sure you have Python set up on your system. For today's session, we will be working with Visual Studio Code, that is a versatile code editor suitable for Python development. We will require pandas for data manipulation and Yahoo Finance to access the financial data. These tools together will allow us to efficiently fetch and save downloaded stock market data. Firstly, we will start by installing pandas and Yahoo Finance in Python. In Visual Studio, we will go to the terminal window to install pandas and Yahoo Finance. So I will go to terminal, new terminal, and I will write here pip install pandas and press enter. So Visual Studio installed pandas into Python. Next we will install Yahoo Finance by using the same command pip install Yahoo Finance and press enter. So Visual Studio has successfully installed Yahoo Finance into Python. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes depending upon the speed of the internet that you are using. After installing pandas and Yahoo Finance, we will import these libraries. Each of these libraries plays a crucial role in our journey today. To import pandas and Yahoo Finance, we will write a code here: import pandas as PD. We can give any name instead of PD. PD is a standardized abbreviation that is being used for pandas, but we can give any abbreviation. In the next line, we will write import Y. When I will type Y, it will automatically show Yahoo Finance option. I will press tab and it will type Yahoo Finance as YF. Press enter. After that, I will run this code by clicking here execute cell. So Python has imported pandas and Yahoo Finance library. For this session, let's pick Apple and Google symbols AAPL and GOOGL. You can choose any company of your interest. Before we proceed, let's take a moment to explore the stock symbols and the type of data available for our chosen companies on the Yahoo Finance. This will give us an overview of the data we can expect to work with in our analysis. So I have opened Yahoo Finance and I will write here in quote lookup Apple and press enter. On Yahoo Finance, a comprehensive range of data is available for the most of the companies, providing investors and analysts with the valuable insight into the company's financial performance and market dynamics. Yahoo Finance provides us real-time data. We have charts. Chart is the visual representation of the stock price movement over time, allowing for trend analysis and the pattern recognition. As you can see that the candlestick graph is appeared in the chart window. The next is conversations. Conversations is a user-generated discussions and the sentiment analysis related to the company, providing insight into the market sentiment and investor perceptions. Here we can see that the number of comments and different investors have made comments about the company. After that, we have statistics. In statistics, we have key statistical measures such as the previous close, opening prices, bid and ask prices, daily trading range and 52 range, and some other ratios as well. After that, we have historical data, historical stock price data for the company, allowing for the trend analysis. backtesting of trading activities and comparison with the market indices. Here we can download historical data of the selected company. After that, we have a profile of the company, that is detailed information about the company including its business overview, industry classification and key executives. Then we have financials, a comprehensive financial statements including income statement, balance sheet, providing insight into the company's financial health and the performance. Then we have analysis. Analysis is the analyst rating price target and consensus estimates, helping investors make informed decisions based on the expert opinions. Then we have options. In options, we have information on the option contracts available for trading for the company, including striking price, expiration dates, and trading volumes. Then we have holders, that is the detail of institutional and insider ownership of the company stock and potential market impact. And lastly, we have sustainability, that is environmental, social, and governance metrics and rating for the company, facilitating socially responsible investment decisions. By Python, we can access all these different type of data, and we can easily download all data by using a short code that will be written in the Python. Let's get to the exciting part, downloading the stock data. I will show you how to fetch the data for multiple stocks at once and set our desired time frame. Additionally, we will also learn how we can change the time intervals of the data. So I will create a new window, code window. When move the cursor here, the option of the new code will appear. I will simply click on the code and new window will appear. I will write tickers is equal to care bracket and then single inverted comma and write Google, then comma and again inverted commas Apple. Here we will define the list of companies ticker symbols for which we want to download the data. This allows us to fetch data for multiple companies without hard coding the request. The list can be easily modified to include more or different ticker symbols. Then press enter. After that, we will specify the start date and the ending date. Start underscore date is equal to inverted commas 2021 dash 1st January and the end date inverted commas 2022 December 31st. So it will start downloading data from 1st January 2021 and it will download data till December 31st. After that, we will write for ticker in tickers double colon and press enter. Data is equal to yf dot download, start the parenthesis, ticker comma start is equal to start date comma end is equal to end date comma interval equal to inverted comma 1D. That will download the daily prices data of the companies. This will run a loop for each ticker symbol in the tickers list, fetching its stock data using the Yahoo Finance. This loop enables the script automatically handle multiple ticker symbols, making the code reusable and efficient. Instead of writing separate download command for each company, the loop automates the process. The yf.download parentheses function is a part of the Yahoo Finance library. It downloads stock price data from the Yahoo Finance. It has 4 different parameters: ticker, that is the symbol of the companies, start date, end date, and interval. After this, we will press enter and press backspace to move to the starting phase of the line, and we will write print data. So this will print our downloaded data. So we will execute this code and the data will be downloaded. This code will only print the data for the last ticker symbol in the list due to its placement outside the loop. After that, we will save this data, and we have two different options to save this data. We can save different files for the each companies, or we can save the data of all tickers in a combined Excel sheet. Firstly, we will save each company's data in a different file. We can also write the markdown to specify that what we are going to do here. We will press hashtag savings each company's data in a different file and run this code by clicking here, and after that we will again press on the code to write the code to download data of our selected companies. We will firstly define function define def is equal to save to Excel data and file name, double colon, press enter, and then write here data dot to underscore Excel, start the parentheses, file name. This function takes two parameters, the data and the file name. Data is expected to be a pandas data frame. The file name is the name of the Excel file where the data will be saved. After that, we will write file name is equal to f inverted commas curly bracket ticker underscore data dot xlsx, that is the Microsoft Excel file extension. Press enter, save to Excel, start the parentheses, data dot data comma file name. Press enter. Now we will write the print command to confirm that the data is saved. Print, start the parentheses, f inverted commas data for curly bracket ticker save to, start the curly bracket, file name, and then we will execute this command. So our data for Google saved to Google underscore data dot xls, and the data for AAPL, that is able to save AAPL underscore data dot xls. After that, we can confirm from here that the data is saved. The AAPL and the GWGL file is created. We can open this file in Microsoft Excel to view the data that is saved. After that, we will write here a code. Again, we will give the heading of markdown, start the hashtag combining the data and savings single Excel sheet. Then we will start a code window. We will create data underscore combine is equal to curly bracket and press enter. Here we are creating an empty dictionary called data combined. This dictionary will serve as a container of storing the downloaded stock data for each company. The key will be the ticker symbol and the value will be the data frame containing the stock data. Then we will write for ticker in tickers double colon data underscore combine, start the box bracket, ticker is equal to data and press enter. This code will store our combined data into a dictionary with the ticker symbol as the key. The reason for storing each company's data in a dictionary is to efficiently manage and access the data for each company. By using the ticker symbol as a key, we can easily retrieve and manipulate a company's data for the further analysis or visualization. Then we will write file name is equal to inverted commas combined underscore data dot xlsx, that is the Microsoft Excel extension. Press enter. With pd dot excel writer, start the parentheses file name as writer, double colon, press enter. For ticker data in data underscore combined dot items, start the parentheses, double colon, press enter. Data dot to underscore excel, start the parentheses, writer, comma, sheet underscore name is equal to ticker. After combining the data, the next step is to save it into a single Excel file with each company's data in its own sheet. This is achieved using Panda's Excel write object. We specify the name of the Excel file we want to create combined data XLS, and lastly we will write here print, start the parentheses, f double colon, data for all tickers saved to curly bracket file name, and we will run this command, and the data for all tickers saved to the combined data file. We can see this in the Explorer. The combined data is created and we can reveal in File Explorer, and we can open this to check that the data is either saved or not. So data for the both company is downloaded and saved in Microsoft Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Your support motivates me to create more content. Leave your questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.